What's up guys, this is Manuel. Today we have a new project, this one, Dodge Charger. We're gonna do it in matte cherry red. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is a scat pack. This is very nice. On this one we're not gonna do the roof and the hood because the roof and the hood is already black. So whatever is in white, we're gonna do it in red, cherry red, matte cherry red. Alright guys, this is part one of the matte cherry red wrap. But today we're gonna start with the fenders. This part, this the fender, this. Alright, let's start with the fenders. Okay, this one is ready for the wrap. I added a masking tape right here and tape here. Here a knifeless tape here so I can cover more of this one because you can see this one is big, so I want to cover a little bit more. So that's it here and tape right there. Alright, let's start with this. Alright, this one was hard. Okay, remember for white color you have to cover a little bit more, so on this one you can see it there. So what I did is I cut a little bit like a 1/8 of an inch space and then I tuck it inside. all of the way over there. You can see the corner. Beautiful. And this one I did all the way here because when they close the hood, sometimes you see inside here, so the white color you have to cover a little bit more, and I cut it right there. It looks very nice. See, you can show you. Okay. And in here too, this one, it has a cover here, so you're not gonna be able to see all the way down. So only here. This plastic goes here. Here, so I had to unscrew this one so I can put it inside there. Let me open the door. You can see it. You can see all the edges, everything inside there. Here, under there. All right. Yeah, so remember, the edges is the most important thing when you are doing a wrap. If you do this nice and the edges are bad, the whole wrap is gonna look bad. So remember, take your time on the edges. Do this one maybe fast, but on the edges, take your time. Because this one, if you do bad cutting over here, it's gonna look bad, the wrap. Alright? So let's do the other fender, but the other fender I'm gonna put it in a faster speed, and then we will see how it looks outside on the fenders. Alright? Alright, this side is ready for the wrap. I already added tape, masking tape. Here, knifeless tape there. Oh, I still need to put just a little bit of masking tape here. And I already removed the screws. You see, this one is loose, so I can move it and tuck the vinyl there. Alright guys, now you can see it here. The color is like a chrome look. The color for this one, nice. This is what I was telling you. If I don't put it longer to that way, you can see the white here, so that's why I made it longer on the inside there. So right now it's hard to see how it's gonna look, but it's gonna look nice. That's the fender. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is part 1 of the cherry red chrome. matte chrome. Okay, click the notification bell so you can watch the series for this wrap. This one is gonna look super nice, super cool. So if you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.